Kinukontrata lang nila yan, mga cottage industry yan. But they come up with a better, more superior material. Pero pag na-perfect yung Pilipinas, I'm sure Marikina would go a long way to be somebody. I-perfect ninyo, kasi ako, Danny Lim sa MMDA, yung rebelde na sundalo, pag magregalo yan sa akin, dito sa Marikina ang gawa. Alam mo, may something like 100 million Filipinos. Pero mo ilang paa yan? Just think about it. And if you just can improve on it,